Hi there, I'm Yvonne DeCellis coming to you on Why Energy. This is just a really quick energy healing video. It's a pseudo request video once again. I didn't think I was going to have a chance to come in before the holidays, but I do. As I said again, this is a really quick one. This is a way to get rid of headaches. Not migraines though, although I do have something you can do for migraines that does not involve drugs. I get migraines all the time. It's probably because of the multiple sclerosis and all of the medications I take, which, by the way, I might have to take a sip of water every now and then so I don't click. And on that note, let me just take a sip right now because I don't want to start clicking. I found an ad for something called Aculeaf, and I believe that's spelled Aculief, and that actually does what I'm going to show you to do with your hands. It's on this part where the webbing is between your thumb and your index finger, the muscle underneath that where the two junctures join, or where the two parts of your hand join. It's kind of sensitive if you have a migraine, this part's going to be kind of sore, but what you want to do is press it on both sides of your hand, so that side and that side. You want to take it, pinch it, and again, if you have a migraine, this is probably going to be a little sore, but that's because it corresponds to the pain in your head. You want to pinch down and hold it on both sides for a few minutes. And you can do both hands, not at the same time, obviously. And I don't know if it really matters which hand you do. I would say to make your left hand the one that you're pinching, but that's really up to you. Just do whichever hand feels right to you, but you want to just hold down on that spot for a few minutes. But again, I saw an ad for something called Aculeaf, and it looks like it's plastic or something, but it just pinches and holds that spot down. So I guess that's for people who don't feel like holding on to something for a few minutes. But that's a good way of getting rid of migraine pain. That is on liver meridian number 14, I believe, is the position that this is. And according to another woman I saw videos from, she's an energy healer and a chiropractor. In her years of experience, she's been doing this for a very long time. She said that this point on the hand, the liver 14 position, this is one of the most heavily needled acupuncture points she's aware of, because there's so much that can be accomplished by this other than taking care of migraines. It can help with migraines, but it can help with many other things too. It can help with depression, it can help with stress, but this is a good way to relieve a migraine without pills. Another good way to relieve headache pain, not migraine necessarily, but say you have cluster headaches or just a headache that just won't stop. And if you don't want to take pills for it, another good thing you can do is you take the palms of your hands and you want to put them against your cheekbones. We're going to lose eye contact for a few moments, but put the palms of your hands on your cheekbones, bring your fingers up and over your head, and take your thumbs and go across the sides diagonally. And yes, I know my headphones are in the way, but I'm not going to move them, so I'm sorry if it's making noise. But basically, you want to have your thumb going out across onto the sides, and the reason you want to do that is because that is on your triple warmer meridian. For the sake of time, I'm not going to go into what the triple warmer meridian is, but if you're interested, I do have videos about it. Just search my channel for triple warmer or search YouTube. But that will also help with getting rid of headaches. So again, put the palms of your hands on your cheekbones, put your hands up against your head, fold your fingers down on the top, and take your thumbs and put them out to the sides, and just hold this for a few moments. Let's just do some deep intentional breathing. So breathe in through the nose, tongue at the roof of your mouth when you're doing that. Most important thing with breathing, I won't go into that either, but most important thing about breathing is have your tongue touching the roof of your mouth on your inhale. On your exhale, if you want, you can let the tongue drop, but most important is that tongue is at the roof of your mouth when you're breathing in. And then out. And I'm going to just do one more in and out. And out. And that is pretty much it. That's also a really good one. It's a good de-stressor. That's another triple warmer move. I think I'm going to call this the triple warmer visor. I just think of it as having a helmet on. And again, I'm sorry again that my headphones are in the way. I will take them off for 1 or 2 minutes just so you can see this, because having them in the way, it's blocking me from being able to do this. So I'm going to take this off for a moment and do the move one more time without the headphones. So one more time without the headphones. On the cheeks, across the top of the head, and thumbs across the sides like this. And let's just hold it here for one more in and out breath. So in through the nose, tongue at the top of the mouth, or sorry, tongue touching the roof of the mouth. And out. And again, that's it. I'm going to just put the headphones back on so that hopefully you'll be able to hear me and everything. Sorry again, I know this isn't the best microphone solution, but it's the best one I was able to come up with right now. So hope that worked for you. Please let me know in the comments down below. Don't mind the band-aid, by the way, just a paper cut. Nothing big at all. But anyway, if I don't see you or talk to you before that, I really, really hope you have a lovely holiday season. I hope everyone is doing as well as possible. I know a lot of people are not right now. People are very stressed. People are also very worried about getting things like COVID. So please know you're not alone. You're not by yourself. And please feel free to leave a note for me down below. If you just want to hear from someone, just leave me a note down below and I will get back to you. I guess that's it for now. I will be back as soon as I possibly can. I have been asked to do a guided meditation on the law of attraction and getting rid of self-defeating thoughts. I will try to do that one again soon. One mantra that I learned for law of attraction that I really like, I was told you should say, I decide that everything is possible and my success is inevitable. And I've changed that to I decide what's possible and my success is inevitable. So that might be a good starting point for the person who asked me about getting rid of self-defeating thoughts. But when I'm able to do a guided meditation, I will do one. It'll be sometime after the new year. Thank you, as always, so much for coming to my channel. I really do appreciate you spending time with me. I do appreciate it. Whether you're a new subscriber or you're new to my channel or you've been a subscriber for a long time, either way, I really do appreciate you taking the time to check me out. So thanks again. I really hope that helps you. Please share this if you know anyone who might benefit from it. Namaste. Peace and light. Thanks again. Bye-bye.